Hi, welcome back to IELTS Ocean everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about IELTS Writing Task 1 Academic, and we will specifically talk about maps. So we have got this question from IELTS Cambridge 17. First of all, you have to read the question thoroughly. The maps below show an industrial area in the town of Norbiton and the planned future development of the site. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and the comparisons where relevant. So here you can see there are two maps, and one is the current map of the town Norbiton, and the another one is the proposed development plan for the future. Okay, whenever you find any map in the IELTS writing, you have to thoroughly go through the map so that you can find similarities if there are two maps. And let's see what are the similarities between two maps. Like obviously you can see at the top there is a river, and below there is a road, and on the left side, or we can say at the west, there is a town. So in the middle there is a roundabout, and these blocks are factories, which obviously you can see here. But after the development, these factories are going to be converted into housing. So this is the major change that is going to happen in this town. Apart from housing, there are some shops, a medical center, a playground and school, which is currently not available in this town, and it will be available after this development. And of course, there is a new bridge over the river to access new housing in the farmland. So we have already gone through the map, and I will start writing now. First of all, just go through the question again to avoid mistakes. The map will show an industry area in the town of Norbiton and the planned future development of the site. So first of all, we have to write a small introduction. The given to map illustrate the current layout as an industrial region of Norbiton and its development plans for the future. So here you can see I have just paraphrased the question statement, and I have just changed a few words. Instead of show, I have used illustrate, and industry area I have used region. This is how you can modify few things in your essay to boost your score. From the map, it can be seen that the area will be converted from an industrial site into a housing area. We will write two separate body paragraphs for each graph. In first body paragraph, I'm going to talk about the first map, and then I will move further to the planned future development map of the question. Currently, as it is the current map, so I'm using currently. In the middle of the map, there are three factories situated around the roundabout and 5 on the road that leads to the east side. So here you can see there are 3 factories near the roundabout and 5 on this road that is in the east side. Let's move further. The town is in the west, while farmland is located in the north. Across the river. So, in the west there is a town, and at the top in the north there is farmland. In the south there is a main road that connects the roundabout leads then the west to the east. So this is our full body paragraph that I have written about this. I have written about this map. Now I'm going to talk about the second map. In the coming years, so instead of writing future, I have written coming years. So it is a similar thing. These industries will be replaced with residential buildings and other amenities like a school and a playground after the development of the area. So instead of factories, I have written industries. So this is how you have to play with words. If you cannot find any synonym for any word, just repeat the word. A small roundabout will be added near shop and the medical center where two roads connect. Moreover, a road will be constructed in the northwest area for street housing and another road including a bridge on the river for the additional housing in the north. However, the town will be remain the same in the west. So here you can see there is no change with the town in these two maps. Here the Norbiton area will witness significant changes during the development period. So we have completed our essay. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like the lesson, then kindly share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.